Hi, this is Sarah, Director of Training here at Project to Heal. We are live from the Welcoming Box with Miss FLO, and I just wanted to introduce her little puppies that she had this morning. This is the only little girl, and then we've got Blue Boy, Yellow Boy. You talking to the camera? Let's see. Green Boy. Say hi. And then there should be someone else. Here we go. Mr. Red Boy. And they just wanted to say hi and hope that you're having a great Tuesday. You can have a little bit of a closer view of them doing what they do best, eating. Eating and sleeping is what they do at this time. Flo, are you a happy girl to be a mama? Flo, are you happy? Yeah. Thanks for watching. We'll see you soon.